Varicose veins and spider veins, they're unsightly and can make your life miserable when you want to wear shorts. Eileen stops by Veintec and finds out how you can feel good about your legs. Take a look.
Hey, we're here at Veintec, located on Stone Oak and Huebner, and joining me right now is Dr. Robert Thompson, and we're taking a look at some of the miraculous work that you've done here at Veintec. And I got to ask you, first of all, Doctor, what are some of the treatments that you have available here?
Well, we treat all types of vein problems, from spider veins, which are the small spidery type web-like veins you see on your skin. Those are treated with sclerotherapy. We also treat the larger veins with phlebectomy, actual removal of these large veins. And then we offer a laser ablation of the saphenous vein, which is taking the place of vein stripping, and that removes the largest of all the veins. That usually is the problem.
Now we're going to go ahead and take a look at some of the treatments that you do here, but I want to ask you, for our viewers at home, if they have any questions on treatments, what should they look for as far as a clinic?
Well, I think the best quality and continuity of care is going to be a clinic that can offer you treatment for all the types of veins, because most people have a combination of 2 or 3. So you want someone that can also treat the spiders as well as the larger veins and keep track of you all the way through your treatment period to make sure that you're getting the proper treatment for all 3 types.
And let's also talk about your experience in your training and the fact that you have 3 doctors here total, yourself and 2 others. Could you talk about that?
Yeah, we have 3 physicians. We're all board certified, fellowship trained vascular and general surgeons. That involves 6 to 7 years of surgery training on top of medical school and residency. We've been doing all kinds of arterial and venous surgery for a total of probably 70 years if you add up all 3 of us. And vein stripping was one of the first operations we ever learned how to do. So we've been treating veins for pretty much all our practices.
And doctor, you know, you take a look at the office and it really does not look like your typical clinic. In fact, when you walk in, it's almost like it's a spa. You know, it's got that spa atmosphere.
Well, that was kind of the approach. We didn't want to make it too spa-like because it is a medical clinic. But people are uncomfortable, and since we don't do these treatments in the hospital, they're not under anesthesia. They're wide awake during these procedures, and we want it to be as comfortable and as pleasant as possible, but still be a medical procedure. You
mentioned comfortable, and I have to say that when we talk about laser treatments or anything like that, it almost sounds like it's painful when the procedure happens, but you say no, it doesn't.
No, it's all under local anesthetic. We don't require any general anesthetic. People can walk in and drive themselves home. They don't really have much as far as pain at night after the procedures. It's really a miraculous way to treat these things compared to the way we used to treat them.
And it doesn't take too long either.
The longest treatment usually takes between 30 and 45 minutes for the laser, and then the spiders take 20 to 30 minutes.
Let's talk about the reasons why people come out here and stop by Veintec when they need a treatment done. It's not just for cosmetic reasons, which we hear a lot, but it's also for other reasons as well.
You know, most people have had a relative or a family member that had vein stripping back in the old days, and they think that is the only way to treat those large veins. But the laser has been around for about 5 years now, and we're able to treat all those veins that used to have to be hospitalized and do it in the operating room. Now we can treat all these locally here in the clinic.
And it's not just women that are getting these done. Men are getting them done as well.
Yeah, we do a lot of school teachers, a lot of military men, a lot of ranchers. Wives usually bring them in because they're scared to death of the veins getting so large.
Okay, well, thank you so much. And Veintec has 2 locations, one located at Medical Drive, and here's a phone number, 614-7467, again 614-7467, or the Stone Oak Parkway, and here's a phone number for that one, 483-8822, or you can log on to their website, veintec.com.
Now, as Eileen mentioned, there are 2 locations for Veintec, again on Medical Drive and the other at Stone Oak Parkway. Now, doctors there perform thousands of laser procedures, as well as treated some 10,000 spider veins in the last 5 years. Stay with us, everybody. We'll be right back.